back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Today's video is going to be the Shyla Dose of Colors collab, first time impression. So open and box as well, because I just received it yesterday and I haven't opened it, so I'm pretty excited to do this video with you guys. So yeah, let's get started with this video. All right, you guys, so I got this I got this yesterday, but I ended up ordering it the day that she launched. Her date was on Monday. I got it on Friday, so it's 4 days to ship, which is pretty fast for me because I'm just like, hey, I got it. So I haven't opened it, so let's do that. The packaging is everything, you guys, and oh my god, she has such a cute box inside. Like, it's even cuter. The clouds, she has clouds here. I don't know if you could see that, but it's aesthetically pleasing. It's super cute. It says hope you enjoy with love, Shyla, and it's just adorable inside. Honestly, the color scheme she picked is perfect. So she has like this hardcore, like the hardcover picture of her, and then in the back it says Dose of Colors limited edition Shyla lip set includes 1 stay glossy lip gloss and 1 lip liner and 1 velvet mousse lipstick. So I never had mousse lipsticks at all. I only had like matte or velvet matte, and that's it. I don't really wear lip gloss because I have long hair, so it pretty much tends to like stick to my hair a lot. So for me to get this kit is pretty like shocking, because first of all, because of that reason. On top of that, she has these little stickers. They're so cute. She has Soul Happy, which Soul is her daughter, and then she has her little pictures of herself. I don't know if you can see that. For most of you guys that don't know, Shyla is actually a YouTuber, so she has her own channel with her family, and it's called LNS Gang, so check them out if you haven't. But if you're here, it's because you know her, so Just forgot to mention that I got my lip kit for $39, and that is here in the United States. And then the little package here. Honestly, the package is so cute. I love how it just has her name, and it's very chic, very elegant, and minimal, which I'm all about that. So I love that. And it's just the pink itself. I love this sand pink, honestly. And how do we open this? Okay, I think you just slide it. Okay, you slide it. You slide it to open, okay, you guys? So if you guys have it, it just slides like, okay. And then this is the color it has. So I'm thinking this one's the lip gloss, and then this one's the actual lip, what is it called? The mousse, the velvet mousse lipstick, yeah. And then the liner over here. Okay. So for the moment you guys have been waiting for me to try it and see how I like it on my lips. So I did prep my lips yesterday night when I was getting ready to go to bed. I kind of took off the dead skin off my lip and then just kind of prepped it for this video. So if you're trying to do a review, I recommend that, because no one's trying to see a crusty lip and a lip review. So I tried my best. If it is still crusty, I'm sorry, but my lip it just gets very chapped very easily. So here are the 3 combo. It just says vegan, so like this product is vegan free. It says right here in the bottom, so vegan, and it just says Shyla in the bottom. So let's just, and it's called Velvet Mousse. So this one says glossy, stay glossy, that's what that says. And then this one says just Dose of Colors Shyla lip liner. She likes to put her liner first, and she likes to put it all over her lip. That's what I saw she did in her live, I think, or her Instagram. So let's start with the lip liner. And what I like about the lip liner is that it actually doesn't need to be sharpened as other lip kits do and such. This one actually kind of just twists this up and down, which that's a plus, because I have to dig through like my makeup bag to find a sharpener, and then after I sharpen it, the little things stay forever in my cabinet and I don't have time to clean it out, which I do have time, but I just don't. So this is actually a huge plus. So let's get started with putting this thing on. And I'm really scared of doing too much, but let's see right here. Let me get close to y'all real quick. Okay, so for me, when I line my lips, I don't overline them at all. I just literally trace my lip because I don't really like that like look. So let's do it. So you guys can see that. Okay, so I lined them up already, but she does go over it. So with, I think she colors in her whole lip. So that's what I'm gonna do, because you know Shyla did it, so I want to do it too. And honestly, the lip liner itself glides very good in my lip, and that's what I like. So it's not like super rough on my lip at all. Okay, she goes like that, and then I think she goes with her little finger, and then she kind of just rubs it in. I think that's what I saw her do. So okay, so that's how that looks rubbed in and whatnot. So now, since I got that done, let's do the velvet mousse. And she did mention in her video stating that she only does like one pump of it, I guess, and it just goes a long way. So I'm only gonna do one, and if I need more then I'll use another one, but let's just do what she says. One pump is enough. And did you guys see that? And actually feels very moussey. I love the thick of the brush, how thick it is, because you could actually apply it very good and be precise with that. make sure I get it. Very, very moussey, and it feels very like moisturizing. It's not drying at all. Like, it feels very good in my lip, honestly. And the color in my lip, well, because my lip color is already kind of purple, so this actually looks a little bit more darker than what I've seen in other people, which is understandable because I have a different lip color and it's not the prettiest colors, though. It's just purple, my skin tone, so it definitely has more like a brown tone to mine, so you can see that. So yeah, I mean, I'm not hating on it. I love it still. I love the color. Totally different though from what I thought it would look, but your girl loves it still. So that's how the lipstick looks on my lip. It will look different on yours, obviously, since everyone has a different lip tone, and mine just happens to be more on the dark side. Like, it has more of a dark purple tone between my lips, and then, so yeah, that's why. But let us use now the Doso Colors Glossy lip gloss. So like I mentioned, probably just one pump should be enough, and let us see how that looks with this now, because the lip gloss is way more lighter than the lipstick, just a shade lighter. So let's see how that goes. Oh my god, you see that? You see that little chap thing? I told you, I tried. Honestly, the lipstick gives it life. I mean, the lip gloss gives it life. It does. You can see how I applied it. What do you guys think? Do I look like Shyla? Goals, honestly. But I am pretty impressed with how my lips look with the lip gloss on top of everything. It definitely adds volume to your lip, and it looks great. It looks good. I have no issue. The lip gloss feels very hydrating. Like, it doesn't feel sticky. It's not like a sticky texture at all. It's more like a watery like texture. Very moisturizing. The smell of the lip gloss and everything else is divine. It doesn't smell any less as like chemicals or anything like that. It smells really good. I can actually tell how much of a big difference in letting my lip go to small to a little bit bigger. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's definitely something new for me to review or to let you guys see my first impressions of a lipstick. And I just had to do this one because Shyla, I really like admire her. She's a mom, girl, don't get me started. Like, she's everything. Honestly, I fangirl her. She's one of the influencers, one of them that I fangirl over, because she's just bomb and she has such a great attitude towards everything, and I really love that about her. So I just had to get this for my girls to know that I support her and her family as well. So I mean, I would totally recommend this product for you ladies that want to try it. Go ahead, do it. It is worth the money. Do you see my lips? They are juicy, they are glossing, they are hydrating. Honestly, it is such a good lip combo. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and comment what other videos you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe because my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please, let's do that. And if we do that, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. So go ahead and subscribe and keep a lookout with my giveaway that's gonna come up soon once I reach my 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.